Hello, science fans. Today, let's talk about computers, something we use every day. What is a computer, really? Think of it as a super smart machine. It follows our instructions with incredible speed and accuracy. It can do math, show us movies, connect us with people around the world. It doesn't have feelings or ideas. It's a powerful tool. A lightning-fast assistant for homework, games, discovering new things. So, what makes it tick? Inside that box, tower or laptop, are a few main parts. The CPU, the brain. It does the thinking and calculating. RAM, short-term memory, holds what it's working on right now. Hard drive or SSD, long-term memory, stores files, photos, and games even when off. Kitchen time. CPU is the chef. RAM is the countertop space. More counter equals faster work. The hard drive is the pantry or fridge. Chef grabs ingredients from the pantry and puts them on the counter to work. Think of your brain. Solving a math problem uses processing power, like the CPU. The numbers you're holding in your head are like RAM. Math rules you remember are like the hard drive. The computer uses electricity, where your brain uses cells. It's a neat, organized system, designed to make life easier and more connected. Consider that. How does a hunk of metal and plastic actually think? It all comes down to electricity. Science is cool, isn't it? Computers speak a very simple language made of just two things: on and off. On, off. Inside a computer are billions of tiny switches called transistors. When electricity flows, it's on. When it doesn't, it's off. The computer represents on with 1 and off with 0. This is binary code, long strings of ones and zeros. This process happens in 4 main steps, like a little dance. First is input: keyboard, mouse, microphone. You're telling the computer what you want it to do, giving the chef the recipe. You might type a question or click an icon to open a program. Every action is an instruction that starts the process. Next comes process. The CPU, the computer's brain, gets to work, crunching billions of calculations per second. It's like the chef mixing ingredients, in that on-off binary language. The CPU juggles tasks and keeps the right order. Finally, output and storage. Words on screen, music from speakers, a page printing, the finished meal served on a plate. Want to save that meal for later? Storage does that. Saved to a hard drive or solid-state drive, the computer's long-term memory. Then you can open the document, view the photo, or play the game again tomorrow. Input, process, output, storage. It's a cycle that happens every time you use your computer. Is your computer feeling a little slow and sluggish? Don't worry. There are simple, science-backed things you can do to give it a speed boost. Close programs you aren't using. Every open program is like an ingredient on the countertop. That's RAM. The more clutter, the less room for the chef, the CPU, to work, and everything slows down. If you're done watching a video or chatting, close that window. It really helps. Clean up long-term storage. Think of your hard drive as a big filing cabinet that fills with old downloads and temporary files. When it's too full, finding files takes longer. Delete what you don't need and use built-in tools like disk cleanup. Restart often. Leaving a computer on for days lets little errors and leftovers build up in RAM, like crumbs on the counter. A reboot wipes it clean. Do this every day or two to keep things smooth. Keep software updated, your OS and your apps. Updates include security patches and performance improvements, using less RAM and CPU. Skip them, and you miss free speed boosts. It's like getting a better recipe that helps the chef work faster. When your computer asks to update, let it. It's an easy way to keep it fast and secure. Now that we know how to speed up our computers, let's talk about what not to do. Never click unknown links or download strange programs. The internet is a giant city. Amazing places and dangerous alleys. Strange links can lead to malware that slows your computer, steals information, or causes damage. Only download from trusted sources. Don't block air vents. The CPU gets hot. Fans move hot air out and cool air in, like a car radiator. On a soft blanket, vents can block and the computer slows itself to prevent damage. Use a hard, flat surface so it can breathe. Never eat or drink near your computer. Crumbs jam keys. Spills can short delicate electronics. An expensive, often unfixable mistake. Keep snacks and drinks at a safe distance. Taking care isn't just avoiding disaster. It helps performance for years. Clean inside and out, and be smart about what you click. A well-maintained machine is faster and more reliable, ready to help you explore, create, and learn whenever you need it. So, take these tips to heart, and your computer will thank you with years of speedy, faithful service. Science is all around us, even inside our computers.